Han från mig sa, på vad gjorde.
Wow.
We have 13 or 14 riders for World Superbike, for World Supersport, and your very own Detroit Wayne Tessel, who finished a fantastic third position.
They asked me to do a sort of workshop about DJing. Nou, ik kan altijd wel in het Nederlands gaan doen, maar waar zijn de mensen uit Nederland? Say down in the phone. Okay, who are the people who are not from Holland? Put your fingers in the air, please. Okay, there's just a few.
Podium in Aragon. Make some noise for Wayne Tessels! Moving on into a rider that scored a number of podiums in the Superstock Championship, but now a full-time rider in World Supersport for the Pony Express Intermoto team, the Kawasaki rider, again from the Netherlands, Tony Corvina! And last but not least, for the first part of the show, a rider that I'm sure needs no introduction. Taking a podium finish last time out in Aragon for the Pata Honda World Supersport team from the Netherlands, Michael van der Mark! Okay, I'm just going to check if we've got a microphone. Maybe we can swap the microphone. There we go. If we can just take and get a situation. It's been a great thing. An iconic brand, the Timber Motor Alsar, and making his first Superbike press conference, Christian Idden. And if I could just go right along to the end, that would be great. And yeah, if we could do the microphone as well, that would be good. Okay, just been informed of the order of the riders. In the Evo category, a debut victory and a podium, as well as the pole position in the Evo category. Please welcome for BMW Motorrad Italia, Leon Camia! Did I stop you from having a quick nap earlier, yeah? Okay, no problem. Okay, then we move on to a rider that's no stranger to the paddock, but returning again with an iconic brand for the MV Reparto Corsa Yadlich Motorsport, Italian Claudio Corti! Thanks, Claudio. We move on then to a rider and a team, an all-American team, and I'm sure that you guys have been following the progress of the Team Hero. Team Hero EBR, Alan Yates! If I could ask you just to sit in next to Claudio. We move on then to a rider that is really putting up a fight, especially in the second race at Aragon with a great... I think they're all practicing behind stage, but Marco, thanks. If I could ask you just to sit next to Aaron. We move on to the Kawasaki racing team, and hoping what hopefully will be for him 4 podium finishes in a row. Second place twice at Aragon, the Frenchman Loris Baz. And still the riders keep coming thick and fast for the Ducati Superbike team, Britain's Charles Davies. A rider that switched teams over the winter and took an emphatic debut victory with Suzuki for the Volcom President Suzuki squad, Eugene Laverty. And last but not least, it's his home race, or at least the team's home race, for the Pata Honda World Superbike team. Please welcome the rider who has the 3rd most success here at Assen behind Troy Corsa and Carl Fogarty. It's Jonathan Ray! Okay, now the DJs, if I could ask you all just to shuffle along one, and then Jonathan won't have to stand. Oh no, we've got a chair for him, there we go. Excellent.
Ook stijgende lijn natuurlijk voor hem in Aragon. Goed resultaat daar tot nu toe in de Super.
Almost. Play. He's really concentrating.
Sometimes I feel like I'm
Old time, well, we're gonna time. Take it away, and you count. Put this one here, and let the beat go. Why faster? You want hardcore? Ah, very good. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. All right. At what timing you want to start when you do the acapella? So start the acapella first, or you can begin with the beat and start the acapella.
Sometimes I feel like I'm all out of luck. This passing by, but I'm not giving up. Cause I know that the weekend is on its way.
There's coming.
I'm ready to hear the music play. DJ, please, won't you play my favorite song? Let me dance to the beat, moving all I know. There's no time more place, but I'm ready to beat. DJ, won't you press play for me?
Starting out.
And let the beat go on.
Exactly.
There's Johnny!
Thanks, Jonathan. What about staying with Panahonda, Michael van der Mark? Come on, Michael.
Sometimes I feel like I'm all out of luck.
Oh, jammer.
This passing by, but I'm not giving up. Cause I know that the weekend is on its way. I go ready to hear the music play. DJ, please, won't you play my favorite song? And we dance to the beat, moving all I know. There's no time more place where I'd rather be. DJ, won't you press play for me? DJ, please, won't you play my favorite
One more time, do it again. Start it.
song? Let me dance to the beat, moving all night long. There's no time or a place where I'd rather be. DJ, won't you press play for me?
And let the beat go
And
on.
let the beat go on and on and on and on. On and on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on.
There you have it already. This guy has it already. Yeah.
Stay for me.
Here we go.
Sometimes I feel like I'm all out of
altijd, maar dat is kijk bon. Zal deze van Roy zijn? Rijder. Misschien muziekje wegkomen. Daar nou die ons in de groot meer.